Hi students, today let us study few more examples on the formation of PDE. So example ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Consider this one equation 1. Partially differentiate equation 1 with respect to x means y as the constant. So ax square differentiation will become 2ax plus by square completely a constant, so its derivative will become 0. Cz square, z is the dependent variable on x and y, so it can be differentiable with respect to x also and with respect to y. Now with respect to x, this will become as 2cz into dou z by dou x. Why you are going to write dou z by dou x? Because z is depending on with respect to x and y variable, which is equal to 1 differentiation, it will become 0. Now I will take 2 is common, so 2 if you take common remains in the bracket of the first term ax plus second term cz into dou z by dou x, which is equal to 0. 2 I will shift it to the right hand side, it will become as ax plus cz into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. Now what I will do, I will shift this ax to the right side, so this is cz into dou z by dou x is equal to minus ax. Constant I will make it one side and variable another side, so z divided by this x into dou z by dou x is equal to minus a divided by this c. I will keep this one as equation 2. Similarly, now partially differentiate the equation 1 with respect to y, considering x as the constant. So your ax square will become constant, so its derivative will be 0. Okay, plus, and your by square is nothing but will become as 2by plus, and cz square will become 2cz into dou z by dou y, which is equal to right side 1 differentiation with respect to y is 0. Again we have taken 2 common, remains in the bracket by plus cz into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. 2 shifted into the right side, it will become by plus cz into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. It will become cz into dou z by dou y is equal to minus by, and then z again variable one side and constant one side, z by y into dou z by dou y is equal to minus b divided by c. Keep it equation 3. Again now partially differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, considering y as the constant. 2 we are differentiating. Here I will consider this one as u, this one as v. Okay, apply uv rule. So x z by x as it is, dou z by dou x differentiation is dou square z by dou x square, plus I will keep dou z by dou x as it is. Now u differentiation, that is z by x differentiation, again for that I will apply product rule, so it will become as, okay, I will keep this 1 by x as it is, z differentiation is dou z by dou x plus z as it is, 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, bracket complete, equal to right side minus a by c constant completely, so it is 0. Simplify now this with z by x dou square z by dou x square plus multiplication 1 divided by x and dou z by dou x into dou z by dou x, it will become whole square minus, because plus into minus, minus z divided by x square into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. And here you can simplify dou z by x into dou square z by dou x square, consider r, plus 1 by x as it is, dou z by dou x is p, so p square minus z by x square, dou z by dou x is p, is equal to 0. Take the LCM, LCM is x square and then LCM is x square, so here it remains as zr plus p square x minus zp is equal to 0. This x square shifted to the right hand side, it will become zr plus p square x minus zp is equal to 0. Z taken common, so it remains as r minus p plus p square x is equal to 0. Till this much if you written, that is its solution. Consider the next example, z is equal to a log b in the bracket y minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus x. So before doing the differentiations, I will just simplify function first. A as it is, log, apply the logarithm property. We know that log a by b can be written as log a minus log b, right? And log a into b can be written as log a, okay, plus log b you can write. Now, so how to write this one? A, if you are using that property, a in the bracket log b plus, because into property you are using log of y minus 1 minus, because it is divided by log 1 minus x according to these two properties. Now z is equal to a in the bracket log b plus log y minus 1. So I will just take minus common and take it, apply the logarithm property, it will become plus log x minus 1. Now I will keep this one as equation 1. There are two arbitrary constant a and b, hence partially differentiate equation 1 with respect to x first, considering y as the constant variable. Okay, so your z will become as dou z by dou x is equal to a as it is, log b is a constant, so 0, plus log y minus 1 is also constant because you are partial differentiate with respect to x, so this is 0, plus log x minus 1, it is 1 divided by x minus 1. So here dou z by dou x means p is equal to this one multiply a divided by x minus 1, nothing but I will just simplify, p cross multiplied and simplify, a value you get it, p x minus 1 bracket complete is equal to a, that is equation 2. Now partially differentiate equation 1 with respect to y considering x as constant, so z will become as dou z by dou y is equal to a as it is, and log b again a constant, so its derivative is 0, plus log y minus 1, it is 1 divided by y minus 1, plus log x minus 1 will become 0, dou z by dou y as it is a, okay, y minus 1, simplify, dou z by dou y means q, which is equal to a divided by y minus 1. Simplify and get it the value of a, that is q, y minus 1 is equal to, okay, into bracket is equal to a. So keep that one equation 3. Now equating or comparing the equation 2 and 3, simplified you are going to get p in the bracket x minus 1 bracket complete is equal to q in the bracket y minus 1 bracket complete. That implies multiply just p into x, it is px, p into 1 it is p is equal to q into y, it is qy, and q into 1 it is minus q. And simplify here, I will take these two in the right side, left side, so it is px minus qy minus p plus q, which is equal to 0. This is your answer.